Hello guys, welcome to Krakow video series. In today's video, we'll be discussing about CAT versus GATE. So let's get started. So firstly, CAT and GATE are both entrance exams that are conducted for two very different purposes. So CAT or Common Admission Test is essential for getting admission into the premier B schools of our country with the aim of pursuing an MBA. On the other hand, GATE or Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering is an entrance exam that's essential to pursue higher education in the form of MTech, ME or PhD in premier institutes like IIT and NITs. And it also enables an undergraduate to gain a job in the country's listed PSUs. And CAT is an exam for those individuals who envision themselves in the management or business domain. And for those kind of people, this exam is an entry ticket. Also, both these exams test the analytical and logical thinking abilities of the candidate, but it would not be ideal to compare both these exams because they have distinct objectives and formats. But still, given the confusion that many students face about which exam to take, so let's go ahead and see the differences. So let's start with CAT. CAT is an online MBA entrance exam which offers admission to all the 20 IIMs and other B schools in the country. And CAT is also the biggest national level MBA entrance exam in our country. So every year over 2 lakh candidates appear for the CAT exam. And also the percentile obtained in the exam is based on the relative performance of the candidates, which is used as the yardstick for admission into the premier IIMs. And also the fees usually varies for institute to institute for different institutes, and it's very high for some institutes. So on an average, the fee for an MBA, 2-year MBA program is 15 lakhs plus, and the specializations offered during the course include marketing, finance, HR, operations, entrepreneurship, and so on. Now, what is GATE? So the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering is an online national level exam conducted by the IITs for admission into Master of Technology or MTech, Master of Engineering and the PhD admissions. And also, as mentioned earlier, it serves as an entry to the PSUs for the government jobs. Again, here also every year lakhs of candidates appear for the GATE exam, and the level of competition varies for different streams like GATE, CSC, mechanical, civil engineering, production, and so on. And usually the syllabus includes 85% technical subjects and 15% general aptitude or GA. So the syllabus is the GATE syllabus is more extensive and subject specific, as it also includes the core engineering subject alongside the non-technical subjects such as the verbal ability. Whereas the CAT syllabus is based on topics such as verbal ability and reading comprehension, logical thinking, quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, and logical reasoning. And the GATE syllabus is based on in-depth knowledge of the engineering subjects. Now let's see some differences between CAT and GATE. So as we can see, the exam conducting body of CAT is IIMs, and IITs conduct the GATE exam. The purpose of conducting CAT is it is an entrance exam for admissions into various B schools across our country to pursue MBA from IIMs, FMS, MDI, SPJN, and so on. Whereas GATE is an entrance exam for admission to pursue MTech, ME, or job at PSUs. The mode of both the exams is online. And if you look at the sections that are tested in each exam, so CAT has verbal ability and reading comprehension, DILR, quantitative aptitude. Whereas in GATE, we have general aptitude and one specific subject selected by the candidate. And also we know that engineering students can appear for the GATE exam, whereas students from different streams like BCom, BA, BBA, and of course also engineers can appear for the CAT exam. Now if you look at the exam pattern, so CAT has totally 100 questions, which includes 34 questions from VARC, 32 from DILR, and 34 questions from the quant. Whereas in GATE, with 10 questions in the GA section and 55 questions in the subject selected by the candidate. The total number of marks are 300 here and 100 marks in GATE. And also not just this, the scoring system and the question format for both these exams vary drastically. So they vary a lot. So CAT provides a score generally out of 300, which is then converted to a percentile value. And this is then used as a performance index. Whereas GATE, which marks the candidate's performance out of 100, this is then extrapolated into a total score of 1000 using a specific conversion formula. And this score out of 1000 is then considered for the selection process. And then if you look at the exam duration, it's 3 hours, 3 hours. And the type of questions in CAT are usually MCQ based. And then we have the theta type questions. Whereas in GATE, we have MCQs, multiple select questions, and numerical answer type questions. And also IIMs which accepts the candidates through CAT also give a considerable weightage to one's performance in past academics. And when it comes to GATE, there is no such criteria to pursue MTech from the IITs. So as we can see that the pattern of both these exams is diverse and distinct, and it's conducted for a completely different purpose by two different sets of institutions. So the candidates appearing for the GATE exam are asked questions that are related to the candidate's engineering stream. Now if we look at some more differences, so for a candidate who is appearing for GATE needs a thorough understanding of all the core undergraduate engineering subjects to ace the GATE exam. And once they do that, they clear the requisite criteria for entry into the premier IITs. On the other hand, CAT tests the candidate's fundamental capabilities in topics such as quantitative aptitude. Especially the syllabus in quant includes the concepts that we learned till our 10th standard, and it doesn't involve much complex topics. However, the post-examination process for CAT, which includes PI, GD, VAT, so this is often classified as one of the biggest challenges, and this is something the students appearing for GATE need not worry about. When it comes to coaching, one would need external mentorship to prepare for the GATE, whereas CAT prep can also be done by self-study by enrolling to an online course and also having a good peer group. So having a good peer group is essential for cracking both these exams. Now coming to the most frequently asked question, which is tougher, CAT or GATE? So we've seen the exam pattern, the type of questions asked in the exam, both the exams. So both these exams require proper planning and hard work. So the difficulty level differs for each exam and from candidate to candidate. So for someone who is weak in the technical subjects, then GATE might be a difficult exam for them. On the other hand, if someone has poor verbal ability skills and struggles with quantitative aptitude questions, then CAT might be a challenging exam for them. Similarly, for someone who has good reading skills, quantitative and logical thinking skills, then CAT will be relatively easy for them to crack. And for someone who has mastery over the important subjects tested in the GATE, then GATE would appear relatively easy for them. And also, though the general aptitude part slightly overlaps in both these exams, the level of difficulty and emphasis are completely different for both these exams. So GATE has 85 marks for the core engineering subjects, which is the most important thing here, whereas CAT demands religious attention to the fundamentals, impressive reading skills and comprehension abilities alongside logical reasoning. So we can see that both these exams have their own difficulty levels, so it doesn't make sense to say that one exam is difficult over the other. Now finally, the big question, which one should you choose? So first of all, both these exams are very important exams for the graduate students. So it would not be wise to choose an entrance exam depending on how easy the exam might be. And the exams are neither too easy nor too tough. One needs to work equally hard for them. So someone who has a knack for engineering subjects should appear for the GATE exam, while someone interested in the business domain should appear for the CAT exam. should target the CAT exam. And also, if you're someone who enjoys research or you're looking for a career in core engineering domain, you should definitely appear for the GATE. On the other hand, if you're someone who aspire to set up your own business, or you have this dream of working in specific managerial roles, then CAT would be an ideal choice for you. So the right question to ask before you think which exam to choose is why. So why do I want to give this particular exam? So it's important that you question yourself appropriately. So start with asking why, and also what do you aspire, like what are your career choices and which career choice aligns with your taste, and where do you see yourself in the next 10 years, what are your aspirations, and so on. So try to answer all these questions, assess your interests, assess your strengths and your weaknesses. So do this, write them on a piece of paper, and once you do this, you'll be able to figure out which exam is the right one for you. So again, so both these exams are good exams, both have very good scope, and it totally depends on you, it depends on your interests. So one must choose his or her career wisely according to one's interests and your skills or goals. So choose wisely. So we hope this helped you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more such important videos. So thank you so much.